just let her look around a little bit so she can see some muscles to worry about. I have to wait all the time till some of the horses keep quiet. Yes. Let the time a little bit to the left rein, goes right. When the horse goes away on the track and driving a little bit and leg yielding back. Yes, come. Yes.
A little white two horse.
More forward, a little bit more forward. Yes. Good. Forward, into the corner.
I can't see the screen.
On the line a little bit long at the walk. Look to the changing point. Forward. Yes, lift the left. Yes. Now left leg. Now the left leg. Now. Yes. Now. Yeah. Come forward. Right leg. Yes. As soon as the horse looks around, just give it time a little bit. Alright, so if you like to go into the track. Yes, easy. Rein shorter. Easy, yeah. Easy. Yep, now again, the time a bit. Keep grabbing. That's okay. Come, yeah, forward a little more. Forward, come. This tempo, not more. Yes, so it's right. Try to keep this tempo. Come. Yeah, come forward. Good. This tempo. Keep moving. This tempo, come on. Come. Good. Come. Yeah, this tempo. Yes. Right the next step.
Yeah.
Come, swing. Yeah, good. Come on, yes. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, the corners are a little bit more on the right. Keep moving. Good, super. Yes, excellent. Come, yeah, my dear. Good job. Left leg, just the right. Yeah, good.
Good girl.
Good
girl. Look at that corner, Walter.
Good. And very carefully now. Very carefully. Keep going. Right leg. Yes, good job. Give gently to the left and keep gently right. Easy, yes, very nice. You just stick it in a little bit on the shoulder. Just a little round to the left. 10-meter circle. See, as soon as she looks too long, then do something. Turn give, keep your right. Around to left give, around. Yes, that's it. Very nice. Change your direction. Straight first, around to the right. Right leg. Around to the right. Yes, around, right leg. Good. Soft, immediately soft. Yes, very nice. Good job. And change. Yeah, good job. Yeah, just a little bit to right. Yes. Left leg. Left, gentle. Yes, turn left. Yes, good. So you do the turn left. So you get into the corner. Yeah, my dear. So do you really like to go into the corner? Yes. Good, good. Keep gentle your outside in, but soft to the right. Without losing. Drive a little more. Drive a little more. Right into the corner. Right into the corner. Yes. Good, good. Give the left. Give the left. Yes. Soft again. Yes. No. And walk, 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 walk. Turn left, turn left, turn left. And good and straight. Yes. Soon as the horse goes away like she did, it's better you go walk, lead him back to the kickboard and start all over, huh? Because otherwise it's so wishy-washy stuff. Yeah, right leg, give the left, keep a time at the right. Yes, yes. And begin a little bit the right and be soft to the left. Easy, gentle, gentle, good, soft. Yes, very nice. We try to keep it this way. Good, 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 good. Keep moving, yes. Good. Come a little around to the left, a little around to the left, soft. Yeah, but the reins get a little bit too long. You know, the correction gets then too late. Huh? Good, 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 good. Keep moving, keep moving, keep good. So keep moving. Give the left a little bit. Yeah, but not too much, you know. Just come on, come, come. Forwards more, forwards more, forwards. Keep your right. Yes, yeah, good. Keep moving. Yes, good, good.
Look
A
at
little bit. Come, come, keep your right. Come, yeah, madam, come on. Get your reins a little bit shorter. Yeah, wunderbar. Keep moving, keep moving. Give the right, give the right. Yes. Come, into the corner, into the corner. Yes. Good, come, 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 come. Yeah, that is more good go. Keep going, yes. On the shoulder a little bit.
Look at her.
But keeping on the outside, yes. Drive more, drive more. As soon as you try to go away from you, they drive. Because as soon as the horse goes up with the head, the hind leg goes high. Keep moving, yes. Come on, move, move, move. Yes. Good, good, good. Super.
Look at that.
Very
Yeah.
good. Keep moving, yes. In the corner. Yes, come on. Good, 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 good. Yeah. Outside ring. Yeah, you stick on the shoulder a little bit. Come on, come, come. Yeah, she must use this hind leg more. Good, 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 good. Yes, come, come, come. Yes, good. Look at that. What a mover. Yeah, keep going and going. Like an energizer. And very careful, very careful. Outside in, good so. Good, very
Good girl.
nice.
Look at her.
Yes. Good. You should stick a dime a little bit on the shoulder. Keep your right, left leg back. Yes, more back. Yeah, good so. Left leg, left leg. Ha ha. Get your reins to the shoulder, then it's even more nice. And hold, very gentle, very gentle. Squeeze or seat on a little bit and flex. Ah, good. Get your reins a little shorter. You should try to push the reins out, huh? And sit against this push, yeah? And stop, heels down, flexion be gentle.